The Britain's Ministry of Defense in its regular update on Twitter claimed that the Kremlin is growing desperate. The Twitter post included a text-based video which showed scenes of destroyed residential areas in Ukraine and burned-out military vehicles. The video footage was overlaid with text, claiming that Russia's campaign is grinding and inefficient, and that Russian military is increasingly reliant on outdated missile systems that are less precise and more likely to injure innocent civilians. Putin's war is built on lies. Russia will not win this conflict, the text in the video reads. The post also reflects on how Russia has lost tens of thousands of soldiers. Russia has lost tens of thousands of soldiers and is using Soviet-era weapons. Their outdated missiles are killing and injuring innocent Ukrainians, it reads. This week, Democratic Representative Elissa Slotkin told CNN how legislators were briefed that as many as 75,000 Russian soldiers have been killed or injured in the war and that 80% of Putin's land forces are currently bogged down and tired. The British Ministry of Defence's video was also shared by Richard Moore, the head of Britain's secret intelligence service, MI6. Moore said at the Aspen Security Conference earlier this month that Russia had endured many epic fails recently and that the Russia-Ukraine war had reached a stalemate. During a press briefing on Friday, a senior U.S. Defense Department official acknowledged that, while Russia has enjoyed some successes in Luhansk Oblast recently, there is growing evidence that many Russian military units are ill-prepared and unable to fight effectively. First observation is that, although we continue to see Russia failing on the battlefield, paying a high price for very little gain, and suffering domestic failures at home, I was really struck this week by how Russian rhetoric was trying to mask these losses, and what we saw was really very expansionist rhetoric coming out of Moscow, the senior official noted. The defense official noted how Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov is reversing previous denials that the Kremlin was seeking regime change in Kyiv, and how Russian Prime Minister Dmitry Medvedev posted a map on his Telegram channel that showed Ukraine almost entirely conquered by Russia. According to the defense official, Russia is talking a big talk, while Ukraine effectively uses the $8.2 billion in equipment provided so far to counter Russian advances, destroy ammunition depots, and take out Russian military equipment and vehicles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.